Welcome back to Location Relocation. Today, we're tackling a big one for all the self-starters out there. DIY Moving Guide, how to move without professional movers. Planning to handle your entire move on your own? It's a big task, but with the right approach and some solid planning, you can pull it off like a pro. So roll up those sleeves and let's dive into this step-by-step guide to organizing, packing, and transporting your belongings safely and efficiently. Ready to take control of your move? Well then, let's go. It's empowering to handle a move independently, and it can also save you a pretty penny. We're here to guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you're prepared, organized, and ready to tackle this adventure. Let's get started. Step 1. Planning and organization. Start early. Begin planning your move at least a month in advance. This gives you plenty of time to organize and avoid last-minute stress. Create a moving checklist. List every task you need to accomplish, from gathering packing supplies to transferring utilities. Inventory your belongings. Make a detailed inventory of your items. This helps in deciding what to take and what to leave behind. Step 2. Gathering supplies. Collect boxes. Get boxes from local stores or buy them from moving supply stores. You'll need various sizes. Packing materials. Stock up on packing tape, bubble wrap, packing paper, and markers for labeling. Rent equipment. Consider renting a dolly or moving blankets to protect your furniture during the move. Step 3. Packing smart. Declutter. Moving is the perfect time to declutter. Sell, donate, or throw away items you no longer need. Pack room by room. Tackle one room at a time. This keeps you organized and makes unpacking easier. Label everything. Clearly label each box with its contents and the room it's destined for. Special care for fragile items. Use bubble wrap and packing paper to protect your delicate items. Step 4. Renting the right vehicle. Size matters. Choose a moving truck that's large enough to fit your belongings but not too big that space is wasted. Compare rental options. Look for the best deal and book your moving truck well in advance to avoid last-minute price hikes. Step 5. Loading the moving truck. Heavy items. First, load your largest and heaviest items like furniture and appliances first. Distribute weight evenly. Make sure the weight is evenly distributed throughout the truck to make driving safer and easier. Secure items. Use straps and bungee cords to secure items in place and prevent shifting during transport. Step 6. On the road. Plan your route. Before you set off, plan your route, considering gas stations and rest areas. Drive carefully. Remember that driving a large truck is different from driving a car, especially when fully loaded. Step 7. Unloading and unpacking. Unload carefully. Take your time unloading. Use your dolly for heavy items. Unpack systematically. Start with essentials like bedding and kitchen items. Then move on to less critical items. Set up essentials. Assemble furniture like beds and tables early to make your new space functional. Step 8. Post-move tasks. Utility setup. Ensure all your utilities are set up and running. Change of address. Don't forget to update your address with the post office and other important institutions. Congratulations! You've now successfully navigated a DIY move. It's a big achievement, and you should be proud. By following this guide, you've saved money and gained the satisfaction of doing it all yourself. Thank you for tuning in to Location Relocation. For more DIY tips and moving tricks, remember to hit subscribe. See you next time, and happy DIY moving. Looking for more moving advice? Check out our playlist. Don't forget to subscribe for our latest DIY tips and tricks. Here's to moving independently and confidently.